Hi, students. I am so excited to be talking, even though it's through video, to you today. Um, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Delia Wallace, and I will be your professor this semester for your Honors Lifespan Growth and Development course. So as I was looking through the roster, I see so many familiar names. So many of you I had in one of my 2301 sections in the fall semester. Some of you I had online, and there are some new students in there. So I don't want to assume that everyone is as familiar with my class because, you know, some people have had me and some people haven't. And some were online and some were through Zoom. So it's a mix of students, and it makes me really excited to start class. So I am filming this on Tuesday, January 12th. So we are officially 1 week from starting school. And since our class meets on Tuesday, I get to see you. So we will begin next Tuesday, January 19th, and I believe our class is at 10:50 to 12:05. So just a little bit, again, this will be a review for some of you, but some of you are new to at least me being your instructor. We will be using Canvas as our platform for the course. And so this is a what would be a face-to-face course. Of course, we're still in the remote world, so we're doing that through Zoom. So I will see you every Tuesday and Thursday, 10:50 to 12:05 in Zoom for live instruction. So we will all meet up in here. I really want to encourage everyone to have their cameras on. I was a little lax about it last semester. I'm really gonna put that out there as an expectation for this semester. Because I just want to feel that sense of community. I want you to know each other. I want the class to be interactive. And it's just really hard to do that if we don't have our cameras on. So the expectation will be to have your cameras on. Come on, it'll be fun. I don't care, you know, if you're in your PJs and you have a top knot up on top of your head or whatever the case is. Let's just be here together, seeing each other this semester. I am still so regretful that I am not getting to teach you face-to-face on campus, but I am committed to making this still the very best semester that we can make it. This course is so awesome, y'all. We call it a cradle to the grave. That's kind of morbid, but we actually start at conception and go through late adulthood, and then we at the end cover death in terms of the grieving process and so forth. So we'll go through the entire lifespan. So you will have experience because you have lived through part of the lifespan up to this point, and then we will also have the opportunity to kind of think about, oh, what does our future hold? So it's, in a way, it's a very personal course. It's going to take you on your own journey through your lifespan as well. So this is, you know, the best way to navigate the course. So you're looking at the screen here. I've set the course up in modules. That's the same. Here is the link to Zoom. I'll also probably send that out to you guys just to have it in an email right at the beginning. But no, you can always come in here, click on here, and join the class this way. Your course syllabus right here is the link, and how to get access to your textbook. You can use this link right here. I'm going to click on modules. You really don't need to do anything to get started right now. I just really like to give you an introduction, a welcome message. Hey, I'm excited to get the semester started. So this isn't about jumping ahead and getting all this stuff done. And you're like, wait, we haven't even started class yet. But it's really just to make you feel comfortable and know what's coming. And we'll go through most of this on Tuesday, our first day of class. But those of you who just want to take a peek ahead, here is the link to the syllabus right here. Um, this course, because your honors will be doing a capstone project, and I'll break this down for you. You'll actually be doing it throughout the entire semester with a proposal, a research proposal at the end, you know, kind of building towards that. But it's not one of those like, oh, this big thing only at the end of the semester. So there's due dates throughout that builds on our capstone project. So just if you want to glance at that, you know me, you know I'm gonna go over this in great detail until you're like, okay, we get it. So that's there. There's information on your book, how to get your book right there. Some other stuff here, we'll talk about that later on. I'm still tweaking this just a little bit as we go through here and building on it. But in terms of, you know, where your grades come from and the assignments and what our calendar looks like, all of that's pretty much set. So that is just a brief little introduction. We will get started on Tuesday at 10:50. I keep saying that and I don't have my schedule in front of me, so let me hope and check that really quick. That'd be really bad, right? I'm still, you know, it takes me a minute to get used to my new schedule. Yes, you guys are on Tuesday and Thursday, 10:50 to 12:05. I had it right, thank goodness. So, you know, always feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I will see you. Yes, I want to see you with your cameras on Tuesday. And get ready. I think you're going to love this class just because it is so applicable to whatever career you're going into, to your own lives, to family members, to friends. It's just a course that helps you understand more about being human. So I'm excited to bring it all to you guys. I'll see you next week. Let me know if you have any questions.